Oh, it pops and it scares me. Bam. Oh my god. There it goes. I can't get this part down here for whatever reason. I think it's something on the inside. Seems like it wants to go, but it just don't. Yeah, it just comes right back. That's insane. That is insane. This headlight looks brand new. I'm not going to push my luck. This is crazy. Look at that. All except for this spot right here. For whatever reason, that just keeps popping right back. But wow, what a difference. This is what it looked like before. And now it's like this. I fear it's unprotected though in its current state. I don't know if we just re-liquefied the clear coat over the headlights. I don't really know the science behind what I just did there. Nuts. I imagine you're wondering what I used there to make this possible, and it's really, really simple. I just used some acetone, an empty seafoam bottle with a little tube that I stuck in the top, and a heat gun, a cheap one from Harbor Freight. I think this is like 1200 watts, 1500 watts. I don't think a hair dryer will get hot enough. You can try it though. This is kind of like welding. It takes a little bit of skill and precision and patience, and you only want to put a tiny bit of acetone at one time in the bottom of your bottle, or else the vapors will start condensing in the tip of your tube, and it'll drip on your headlight and leave a mark that you won't be able to get out with this. Be careful if you try this. Make sure you do it in open air. I had my garage bay door open. If you have a respirator, I highly recommend doing that. I should have been wearing mine, but I wasn't. And give it a try. It actually works. The headlights look beautiful today. You can see them right there. They still look the same. I was wondering if the fog would come back immediately. Acetone does really weird things. Careful with it. Do not use a torch to do this. This bottle will explode in your hand. Make sure you use a glove and be safe, be careful. That's it for today. Any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section. Thanks again for tuning in. You stay frosty. Don't do anything Jesus wouldn't do, and I will see you on the next one.